Hello everyone, today I have a special video for all office going girls out there. A soft minimal makeup look that is perfect for a polished professional appearance at workplace. So get ready with me. After a mild hydration with facial spray, I am applying primer that is really necessary to minimize my pores. Skipping foundation, I am going through just concealer. Focusing on my T-zone area, I need to cover all the imperfections that are mostly under my eyes, on sides of the nose, around the mouth, forehead and the chin. Firstly, I am gently patting concealer with my fingertips to blend and melt the product into my skin. Then I will blend it slightly with concealer brush to remove any harsh lines and edges. Using only concealer saves so much time, and you will get ready in less than 5 minutes. Slightly dusting off with some loose setting powder to lock the concealer in so it will not move throughout the day. Adding a touch of color to your cheeks with a natural toned blush will freshen out the whole look. Smile and apply blush to the apples of the cheeks, blending it slightly towards your temples. A little bit strokes on sides and tip of the nose will give a soft contouring effect. I'm totally skipping eyeshadow. It's totally up to you. If you want to go for eyeshadow, then go for earthy neutral tones. I prefer eyeliner that will enhance my eye very well without looking too heavy. I always use a pen eyeliner whenever I need to get ready real quick. You can try it too. I'm keeping the liner thin as close to the lash line as possible. I will not go for too dramatic or winged eyeliner, just classic eyeliner. Let's frame those eyes with subtle eyebrows, using eyebrow pencil to fill in the sparse area. Remember, we are aiming for natural looks, so avoid overly sharp and dark lines. That's why I need to use a spoolie brush to further blend brow pencil for a much natural look. Spoolie brush helps to smudge the sharp pencil strokes. Always use soft lip liner pencil to outline your natural lip shape. It will enhance your lip shape and prevent lipstick to bleed throughout the day, and also increases the longevity of your lipstick. Always choose nude soft pink shades for your lips. That enhances your natural lip color. Matte long-lasting liquid lipsticks my good to go for office looks. As I always mentioned, you will get all the list of the products that I used for this look in the description box down below. Please don't forget that I am always waiting for your love and support. Lastly, adding mascara that will open up my eyes further. Always wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes, then sweep upwards for a natural, fullest look. A subtle highlighter on the high points of your face can add healthy glow. Stick to a shade that complements your skin tone and apply sparingly. And there you have it, a soft minimal makeup look that's perfect for office going girls. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.